dust upon the tires, nothing but the blue sky, and a heart full of fire. Stealing dreams together, chasing endless miles. Every road I conquer brings another smile. No fear, no limits, just the sound of the wind. Where the wild begins is where I fit in. I'm the king of the open road tonight, four wheels turning under golden light. Through the dirt and rain, I'll never slow.